this identity, you have to prove cot square A minus cos square A equals to cot square A into cos square A. So left hand side, cot square A minus cos square A. Cot A means cos by sine. So cot square A will be equals to cos square A by sine square A minus cos square A. Now take LCM. So LCM will be sine square A. Now this is cos square A will be as it is minus cos square A into sine square A equals cos square A is common in both. So cos square A we have to take common. So cos square A into, give the bracket. So cos square A it's taken common, so 1 will be left. Because cos square A into 1 equals to cos square A. Minus cos square A is taken outside the bracket, so sine square A will remain left by sine square A equals cos square A by sine square A, and 1 minus sine square A equals to cos square A. So by the identity, for 1 minus sine square A can be written as cos square A, and cos square A by sine square A equals to cot square A into cos square A. This is the right side that we had to prove. Now question number 10 second, you have to prove 1 plus tan square theta by 1 plus sec theta equals to sec theta. So first take the LCM. It's 1 plus sec theta. Now 1 plus sec theta into 1. So it is 1 plus sec theta, and plus tan square theta is written. Now this 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. So we'll write sec square theta plus sec theta by 1 plus sec theta. Now sec square theta and sec theta. So sec theta can be taken common. So there are the two sec theta, since sec square theta is here. So 1 is taken out of the bracket, so 1 will remain left, plus sine here, and sec theta is taken out, so it's 1 here. Now this is sec theta plus 1, and this is 1 plus sec theta, so this will get cancelled. So right hand side sec theta will come. Now question number 10 third. 1 plus sec A by sec A equals to sine square A by 1 minus cos A. So here left hand side will be taken 1 plus sec A by sec A. So it's written here 1 plus sec A, in bracket it is taken, and this is 1 by sec A. Now here the right hand side we have to prove it as sine square A by 1 minus cos A. So that means sec must be converted to cos to get the answer. So here 1 by sec A means it's cos A, and 1 plus sec A means 1 by cos A. Now again take cos A LCM. So cos A into 1, it's cos A plus 1 by cos A. Now this cos A and this cos A will be cancelled. So it's remained cos A plus 1, or we can say 1 plus cos A. It's 1 plus cos A. Now what we will do, we'll multiply with the opposite sign, because denominator 1 minus cos A is here. So we will multiply 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A, so that this expression's value will not change. To get this answer, we will be multiplying with the same thing, 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. But we will use in some other way. How? The benefit is that 1 minus cos A will come in the denominator, and 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A equals to 1 minus cos square A. Why? Because A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square. So it is 1 minus cos square A. So now 1 minus cos square A equals to sine square A. This is the identity. So sine square A by 1 minus cos A. This we had to prove. Now question number 10, fourth is sin A by 1 minus cos A equals to cos A k plus cot A. So sin A by 1 minus cos A. So to get the answer, just multiply with the opposite sign. What is to be done? 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. The benefit is sin A into 1 plus cos A by, this is again in the form of A minus B into A plus B. So it will become 1 minus cos square A. Why we have multiplied here by 1 plus cos A into 1 plus cos A? Because sin A by 1 minus cos A, here nothing to take reciprocal or LCM part is not there. So that is why we will be just multiplying the numerator and denominator with the denominator's opposite sign. Sometimes with the same sign also multiplied. Depends what is the required thing. So here 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Now sin A into 1 plus cos A, and here 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A means 1 minus cos square A. Now sin A into 1 plus cos A, numerator, and denominator is 1 minus cos square A. Now we have the identity sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So that is why 1 minus cos square A, 1 minus cos square A equals to sin square A. So 1 minus cos square A we have written sin square A. Now sin A into 1 plus cos A by sin square A. Now this sin A and sin square A will get cancelled. So this square will cancel. So only one sin A will remain left. So it's 1 plus cos A by sin A. Now just separate it. 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. We can separate it to get the answer. So now 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. So it's 1 by sin A means cosec A, and cos A plus sin A cot A. This we had to